silakan saling berdekatannya. Buka tangannya seperti ini. Oke, dan lebih rapat. Oke. Mancing, our two volunteers are ready.
Yeah, then, yeah, our beautiful Lori Kitty.
Wow. Everyone, proudly present to you our beautiful lorikeets. You know a fact about lorikeets? Lorikeets have very special tongue that helps them lap up the nectar from the flowers. They have modified feeders on their tongue, which enable them to reach into the flower and get to that delicious nectar. Okay, you done tadi? Okay, that's enough. Thank you so much.
Beautiful boy, so amazing.
Everyone, please give applause for our beautiful audience. Oh, Mikey. I heard about the legendary bird